Do your AirPods Max look like this? Have you tried cleaning them? Either way, let me share how I clean mine. I've had my AirPods Max for 3 years and 1 month now, and the mesh is pretty saggy. Look closely. You can see particles on the mesh. These particles only appear when you poke and stretch the mesh. They consist of dead skin and wax. I know, it is gross, but just think of them as cheesy bits. Here's how I clean mine. But before you follow this method, remember the Max is always turned on, so don't dip or expose the cups to any liquid. First, we will detach both ear cups from the headband. All you need to do is poking the holes using a pin or SIM card ejector. With the right amount of pressure, it shall be detached just like this. Honestly though, it makes me think that the AirPods Max is actually an oversized AirPods, since there's no wiring involved connecting between them, unlike some wireless headphones out there. So these are the only components we need to clean: the headband and the ear cup pads. I'll be using liquid detergent mixed with warm water, as it helps to disintegrate the wax bits effectively. For my case, since the mesh is already sag, I'll be using toothbrush, but you may choose whichever method you desire. After it's done, don't forget to rinse it and wipe it properly. Now let's clean the earpads. The earpads are relatively easy to clean. The only thing you need to be careful of is the magnetic adhesive, which might peel off. A small amount of super glue will stick them back in place. Avoid using hot glue since it creates a thick layer that prevents the earpads from fitting nicely into the cups. Once you're done, you can dry them using a hairdryer, or like I did, just put them outside and let the wind do the work. Just look at this mini lightning. This is how both ear cups are connected. Apple engineering never ceases to amaze me. Let's reattach the ear cups. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. Until then.